Imagine your body as a superhero squad, with one of the quirkiest members being the sneeze. When a virus invades, your body sends out a rapid fire sneeze attack, expelling invaders at speeds up to 100 km/h. It's like your nose has its own secret weapon, launching a surprise assault on germs. This reflex is not just a defense, but a way to alert others to stay clear. Next time you sneeze, remember it's your body's way of saying, "Not today, virus." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.